Ladies and gentlemen, Bilabnak, and a very good afternoon to you. I'm delighted to be here to share this day with the people of Bangasau as we celebrate the opening of this new staff accommodation at your nursing station. Providing adequate health care for ordinary Fijians is one of my government's top priorities. In fact, we have an obligation to do so under the Constitution. So I'm very pleased that the facilities that other Fijians have come to expect in other parts of the country are also being upgraded at Bangasau. This new accommodation for the nurses here recognizes the value my government places on looking after the welfare of health workers in more remote parts of Fiji. They have a job in looking after this community, and they deserve the very best that we can give them. With better accommodation, we expect the commitment of the health workers to do their jobs even better will increase. I also ask you to do everything you can to support them. They are here to look after you, but I'd like to also encourage you to do more to look after yourselves. Because good health is not only about getting access to a cure if you fall ill or have an accident. It's also about preventing illness in the first place. We all need to do a lot more to look after our health by eating well and exercising. Prevention is better than cure. And pursuing a healthy lifestyle is vital if we are to make any progress in combating the non-communicable diseases that are destroying the health of our people and killing far too many Fijians, such things as diabetes, hypertension, heart disease, and strokes. Of course, you can do everything you can to look after yourself and still get sick, but at least help is close at hand, and I know this facility has been a huge benefit for the people of this area. As you all know, my government is now providing free education to our primary and secondary school students, and a special loan scheme for those who want to go into university or technical college. We also have a fully paid scholarship for the top 600 students, no matter who they are, as long as they work hard. But there is also much more that we want to do to provide ordinary Fijians with easier and more affordable access to health care. We have been making this a national priority, and my government will continue to invest in our public health system. But the upgrading of this nursing station is a sign of that commitment to have a more healthy country as well as a clever country. We also need to do a lot more to provide opportunities for ordinary people, especially in the north, to participate in the economy, to earn incomes to sell things that they make or grow, or to start small businesses. In fact, tomorrow, I'll be opening yet another of the government's women's resource centers in Bua to provide ordinary women with an income stream.
Naka, karena kalau cuma ini nasi singgih ko, ini tak nak kau teman lagi waktu lumah tak, urus kita di rumah, ada banget tak. Naka, naka.